Longer versus Energizer Max.
Do it.
Less waste. Energizer Ultimate Living. Now that's positive energy. Including French toast.
Do it. Your new favorite thing to do. Do it.
Your own holiday slam.
Hey. Hey. You. You can do it perfectly.
One last thing. Yeah, I could really use this.
Do it.
Big hug. Dear. This holiday, Chevy now qualified buyers can get 0% APR.
Oh, goodness.
2011 Chevy Silverado. Or 0% APR finance.
Hey. Yeah, on TV. Don't try me. Hey.
Hey, ladies.
Raelynn.
Of course not.
Raelynn.
Dr. Pepper 10 is our soda.
Do it. Do what Grandma taught you. Do what Grandma taught you. That's what Grandma taught. Grandma didn't teach you to cry. You were gonna fall face first, so I pushed you back. No, don't touch my camera. Give me this. Thank you. Dad. Yeah, do it. Come here. I'll put you up right here. There, so you can sit up good.
So, that's our new LED TV. 120 Hz frame rate TV and Resolution Plus. We're all set to ship if we don't include built-in wireless.
Do it. Hey! Hey! Do it! Do it! Why do you get so shy every time I bring the camera out? You're not supposed to be shy.
Flip Wi-Fi is a TV.
The all-new Toshiba LED TV. We thought of everything. Find your magic at Macy's Thanksgiving sale.
Tickle spot. Tickle spot. Hey. Hey.
Shop less, get more. Make one call to an Allstate. I'm TJ.
Do it. Quit chewing on your finger.
We've spent 40 years standing up for our clients in their darkest hours and fighting logs of drunk driving tragedies. While no amount of money can replace the loss suffered by the senseless act of another, we're committed to doing everything in our power to obtain the maximum compensation for our clients' losses. Please drive safely.
No, stop it. What are you doing, you crazy baby? No. No. You cannot touch. No. Boom. Chaka-laka-laka. Boom. Chaka-laka-laka. You always cry when you don't get what you want. This is how you know if your child is a spoiled brat or not. Every time you don't give her what she wants. Like, she wants the camera. Can I get my camera? Oh, well, you could have. There you go. You did it.
Actually, I have some French. Let me just go get it.
You gotta hold on to you. You're too close to the edge.
Should I just chug it?
Sorry, glass is right.
Oh, you're such a big girl. Look at them cute little toes. Look at them cute little toes.
I can't thank you enough for your hospitality.
You're so cute. You know that? Hey, do it. Hey, you. Oh. Oh, goodness gracious. You gonna be your normal silly baby self? Cause you're the most silliest baby I ever met. You know that? The most silliest. Yeah. You always be so silly. You always be so silly.
There's a fire. And he's been joking. Get the lounge.
Hi, Crazy. Hi, Crazy. Hi, Crazy. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, camera. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera. I can't touch. Just say bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Next time maybe I'll be super silly. Super silly. Super silly. Shall I silly girl? I've been silly all the time. You okay? Well, don't shut your fingers on your throat. Silly baby. You're so silly. Always sucking on your 2 fingers. There's something by your eye. Yeah.